थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट कर दे फोन, मुझे लग रहा है हल्का सा गिर सकता है।
Lights, camera, action.
Hey everyone, welcome to Velvet Stories. My name is Kushi Yadav and I'm here to share my love for fashion designing with you all. I'm super excited because this is my first ever video on YouTube and I'm starting my journey today. If you are someone who loves fashion designing and creating outfits, then this is the channel for you. Here I will be showing you new projects, upcoming new outfits which I will be creating. I will be sharing the process and everything with you. Okay, from fabric to how I cut it, how I stitch it, everything with you. So I want to bring all of you with me on this journey. So why fashion designing? Well, ever since I was a kid, I love to sketch, to paint, and to create something unique with fabrics, like creating my dolls' outfits. Okay, and even creating my own, doing DIYs and all of that. So that is why I was from beginning I was very interested in creating all the outfits, all the new things which I can create from fabrics. So it's like playing with fabrics and creating something new. I have discovered my love for fashion designing and I am getting to get stronger in this. I'm deeply inspired by creators and fashion designers like Nancy and Masaba Gupta. Nancy Tyagi and Masaba Gupta are my inspirations. So I have seen Nancy growing from very scratch to a level where she can make new designs of her own, and she's very talented, I would say. So I am currently planning to do my fashion designing diploma from JD University Delhi, and I have almost taken admission in that. So I'm just waiting for my classes to start. I'm very excited. I want it to start right now, but it'll take 1 month. So I thought, why not? Why not bring all of you with me on this journey, learning things from basic to advanced to pro level. So on this channel, you will find everything from basic sewing, creating outfits, DIYing, and my journey in my fashion designing institute. Everything will be here, okay? You will be updated with everything over here. And I will also be sharing my upcoming projects, my outfits which I will be creating for IF Festival, and everything will be displayed over here. I'm also really excited to explore fabrics and the techniques we use to create new outfits, all the trends which is going on. And I will also be showing you how to upcycle your own clothes from old denims to making something new which you can use in your daily wear. And I will also be showing you behind the scenes of my outfit creating ideas. Okay, all the things which will be there in my process, I will be showing you all of that. So whether you are an aspiring designer, or you are interested in sewing your own clothes, or maybe you want to do some DIY to make your old clothes and turn into something new. And also what you can get here, that you can create something for your own, not for someone else. You can do it, it will be fun. If this sounds exciting to you, so don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel for all upcoming videos. Also type in the comment section which next topic you want to see on my channel, and you can recommend videos for this channel. Okay, I will be surely making those videos. Okay, bye bye, take care.